Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by opening Mail or Icloud. First, sort by sender or subject to surface bulk threads and use the search bar for common terms. Once done, select the top message, then shift-click the last to select ranges, or use the checkbox to pick many. Make sure to review flagged or VIP messages separately so you don't delete important items. This step reduces clutter quickly and prepares you for deeper cleanup. Now tackle the middle of the job. Use filters like From and has attachments to isolate large or repetitive mail. You can move questionable messages into a temporary folder. This protects you while trimming everything else. Then, select all and delete in batches to avoid timeouts on iCloud. Use the Select All Visible then repeat to capture hidden pages. Also, check Sent and Archive for duplicates. Make sure to empty the trash. That actually frees storage. Finish with a careful sweep. Review your temporary folder and flagged or VIP messages, restoring anything you need. Then, on each device, force a sync, pull to refresh, or rebuild the mailbox in Mail settings so changes propagate. If messages aren't updating, sign out of iCloud then sign back in or toggle iCloud Mail off and on. This often resolves sync conflicts. If you still have issues, check iCloud storage settings to confirm space is free and make sure backups aren't pausing sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.